12th bit first problem. A rectangular sheet of metal of length 6 meters and width 2 meters is given. 4 equal squares are removed from the corners. The sides of this sheet are now turned up to form an open rectangular box. Find approximately the height of the box such that the volume of the box is maximum. So first the rectangular metal sheet. Here is the rectangular metal sheet. So its length is given, that is 6 meters, and breadth, that means width 2 meters. So 4 equal sides are removed from the corners. Equal sides of the squares. So here let's take the side of a square x. Okay, x, x, x. So these 4 corners are removed. Then what is the figure we will get here? So this is the figure we'll get. Okay. Now this rectangular, this sheet, the 4 sides are turned up. Then one rectangular box was formed. Rectangular box. So this is a rectangular box. Okay. Now find approximately the height of the box such that the volume of the box is maximum. So we already selected that the removed squares side as a x. Then this rectangular box length is, actually the total length is 6, but this rectangle, this square and this square both are removed. Then 6 minus x, that means 6 minus 2x is a length of a rectangular box. Okay. Next, breadth of a rectangular box. Actually breadth of a rectangle is 2, but here 2 squares are removed. So here 1 square, here 1 square. Then the breadth will becomes 2 minus x, it is equals to 2 minus 2x. Next, what about height? Height is the side of the square will becomes height. So here is a x. Now we got the 3 dimensions for the rectangular box. Okay. So now see here, volume. Let's find out the volume of a rectangular box. Volume of a rectangular box formula is what? Length into breadth into height. So length is how much? 6 minus 2x into breadth is how much? 2 minus 2x into height is x. So let's multiply 6 minus 2x into, here 2 into x, 2x, 2 into x, 2x into x, 2x square. Next it is equals to 6 bracket of 2x minus 2x square minus 2x bracket of minus 2x bracket of 2x minus 2x square. So it is equals 6 to the 12x minus, so 6 to the 12x square minus 2x into 2x 4x square minus into minus plus 2 to the 4x cube. So 12x minus 12 minus 4 minus 16x square plus 4x cube is a volume of a rectangular box. So this is a function for the volume. So now let's find out the dv by dx answer. So 12 into 1 minus 16 into 2x plus 4 into 3x square. 4 into 3x square. So it is equals to dv by dx equal to 12 into 1 12 minus 16 to the 32x plus 4 3 is a 12x square. Now let's take the dv by dx equals to 0. Then it is implies 12 minus 32x plus 12x square equals to 0. Here we can take the 4 common. 3 minus 4 8s are 32 plus 3x square equals to 0. Now do factorization. 3x square minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0 by 4. So 3x square minus 9x plus x plus 3 equals to 0. So here we are unable to do factorization. So what we have to do, use a quadratic formula method. 3x square minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0. What is the quadratic formula method? X equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it is equals to minus b, minus of minus 8 plus or minus under root so it's a simplification. X equals to 4 plus root 7 divided by 3. So then here root 7 value 2.64. So answer is 2.21. Next one more x value, 4 minus root 7 divided by 3. So substitute root 7 value 2.64. So 0.45. Now let's check it whether for which x value the volume will becomes maximum. So find out d square v by dx square. So d by dx of dv by dx, that is 12 minus 32x plus 12x square. So it is equals to 0 minus 32 into 1 plus 12 into 2x. So it is equals to minus 32 plus 24x. Now for which x value this answer will be negative, because when it is a negative then the volume of a box will become maximum. So I am substituting x value 0.45. So minus 32 into minus 32 plus 24 into 0.45. So its answer is, so here we got the negative answer. If you substituting x equals to 2.21, you will get the positive answer. So that is why we can ignore the x value 2.21. So therefore the x value is how much? 0.45. X means what? Height of the box only, na? So therefore the height of a box x equal to approximately 0.45 meters. Second question, from a rectangular sheet of a metal of dimensions 8 cm by 5 cm. 8 is a length, 5 is a breadth. Equal squares are cut off from the corners and the flaps are then folded up to form an open rectangular box. So find the side of the square cut off so that the box may be the greater capacity. Greater means here consider maximum capacity. Capacity means volume of a rectangular box. What is the maximum capacity of the box so made? So same like a previous question. So rectangular box. So first of all, rectangular sheet is there. Its length is 8 and breadth is 5 cm. 4 corners with equal sides removed, then folded. We got the rectangular box, open box. So I am selecting the side of the square as a x centimeters. X. So then the length will becomes 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2x. Breadth will becomes 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x. And height is x. Okay. Now the volume V equals to capacity. He said capacity. Capacity means volume. Length into breadth into height. So volume V equals to length is 8 minus 2x, breadth is 5 minus 2x, height is x. Then v equals to 40x minus 26x square plus 4x cube. Now find out the dv by dx. So it is equals to 40 minus 26 2 is 52x plus 4 3 is 12x square. So let's take the dv by dx equals to 0. dv by dx equals to 0. So 40 minus 52x plus 40 minus 52x plus 12x square equals to 0. Here we can take the 4 common. So 4 tens are 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So next to 4 threes are 12. So then 3x square minus 13x plus 10 equals to 0. So here we got two x values. One is 1, another one is 10 by 3. But which x value will give the maximum capacity for the box? Let us verify. So for that I am doing the derivative again. So d square v by dx square, it is equals to, so here to get the negative answer in this, definitely we need to substitute x equals to 1 only. So if x equals to 1, then what will happen once you observe minus 52 plus 24 into 1. So it is equals to minus 12 minus 4 is 8, 4 minus 2 2. So negative answer. So here we got the negative answer. Definitely what is that? V is a maximum. V is a maximum at x equals to 1. And we can ignore the x equals to 10 by 3. So side of a square cut off equals to what? 1 centimeters. 1 centimeter. And is asking what is the capacity of the box. So the capacity of a box means we have a v function, volume function is there, in that substitute the x value. But v equals to, what is the v value? 40x minus 26x square plus 4x cube. So 40 into 1 minus 26 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 cube. So 40 minus 26 plus 4. So 44 minus 26, it is 18. So centimeter cube. Third question, a rectangular sheet of metal is 24 centimeter and 9 centimeter wide. So equal squares are cut off from the corners and the flaps are then folded up to form an open box. Find its maximum value. So maximum value means maximum capacity. Capacity means volume. So first one rectangular sheet, its length is 24 centimeters. Breadth is 9 centimeters. So then 4 corners are cut off from the rectangular sheet and the 4 corners are in the square shape and with equal side. So then this rectangular sheet made it as a one rectangular box. Okay. So the length is, here let's select the side of a square is x centimeters. So then the length will becomes 24 minus 2x, breadth will becomes 9 minus 2x, and height will becomes x centimeters. So then the volume equals to length into breadth into height. So length is 24 minus 2x, breadth is 9 minus 2x, h means height, x, it is equals to So then V equals to 216x minus 48 minus 18, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, 66x square plus 4x cube. So let's find out the dv by dx. It is equals to 216 minus 66 into 2, 132x plus 4 3 is a 12x square. Let's equate the dv by dx to 0. So it is implies 216 minus 132x plus 12x square equals to 0. So here take the 12 common. So 12 ones are 12, 9 remainder, 12 eights are minus 12 11s are x square equals to 0. So here x value 9 and x value 2. So but which x value will give the maximum capacity for the open rectangular box? That is very important. So let us verify that. So to verify that, find out d square v by dx square. It is equals to d by dx of dv by dx. So that is dv by dx value is here 216 minus 132x plus 12x square. So 0 minus 132 into 1 plus 12 into 2 is 24x. So minus 132 plus 24x. So here x equals to 2. Substitute x equals to 2. So then minus 132 plus 24 into 2. So it is minus 84 less than 0. But when you substituting x equals to 9, you will not get the negative answer. So we can ignore the x equals to 9. So therefore V is a maximum. Therefore V is maximum at x equals to 2. So he is asking what is a maximum value. Maximum value means capacity. So volume answer we have to find out. And here we can understand the height of the square cutoff is 2 centimeters. So volume V equals to function is 216 x minus 66 x square plus 4x cube. In this substitute x equals to 2. So then volume V equals to 216 into 2 minus 66 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 cube. So 216 into 2 432 minus 66 into 2 square is 4. So it is 264 plus 2 cube is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. Here 432 plus 32 is 464 minus 264. It is equals to 200 centimeter cube. 13th question. A right circular cylinder is inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R. Show that the volume is maximum when its height is 2r by root 3. So height means cylinder height is 2r by root 3. So let's draw one diagram. First sphere diagram. Now a right circular cylinder inscribed in a sphere. So inscribed in a sphere. So this is called a right circular cylinder inscribed in a sphere. So next, first I am going to select the height of a cylinder as h. Height of the cylinder h. Next, here I am selecting one center. So here draw one straight line it will make a 90 degrees with the base of the cylinder, and here join these two, and it will becomes radius of a sphere. The radius of a sphere given that capital R, and it is radius of a cylinder, so radius of a cylinder taking as a small r. And what about this? It is a h by 2. Why? Because the total height is h, and this is a center exactly in the middle of the cylinder and sphere, so that is why the height will becomes this value will becomes h by 2. Okay, next here center is O, and here is a and this is a B. Now in a triangle OAB angle B equals to 90 degrees. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse capital R square equals to h by 2 whole square plus small r square. From this I am going to find out the small r. Why? Because we have to consider that volume is maximum. So volume means volume of a cylinder here. Cylinder volume is maximum. Then we have to prove that height is a 2r by root 3. So that is why volume formula is what? Pi r square H0. In this r value is required. That is why I am finding the small r value. So capital R square minus here h square divided by 4, it is equals to small r square. So capital R square minus h square by 4. Now the volume of a cylinder equals to volume of a cylinder, here I am denoting with capital V, it is equals to pi r square h. So pi into r square means already r square value there directly, capital R square minus h square by 4 into height of the cylinder is h. So then V equals to capital V equals to h multiplying inside pi into r square h minus h into h square is h cube divided by 4. H cube divided by 4. So this is a function for the volume. So now find out the dV by dx, dV by dr, because in this function the variable is capital R. dV by dr, not dV by dh. Why? Because we have to prove that the height of the cylinder is 2r by root 3. That means r is a compulsory constant number. So that is why do derivative with respect to h. So pi into r square into 1 minus 3h square divided by 4. So this is pi into capital R square minus 3h square divided by 4. This is dV by dh. So now let dV by dh equals to 0. Then pi into capital R square minus 3h square divided by 4 equals to 0. So then it is equals to here r square minus 3h square by 4 equals to 0 by pi. So it is implies minus 3h square divided by 4 equals to 0 by pi is 0, and capital R square transpose to RHS side. So then minus 3h square divided by 4 equals to minus capital R square, here minus minus cancel. So h square equals to 4r square divided by 3. Then h equals to under root 4r square divided by 3. Now h equals to square root of 4 is 2. 2 into capital R divided by root 3 is a capital H. Okay, h means what? Height of the cylinder. But this height will give the maximum volume of cylinder or not. Let's verify. Then our answer is correct. If it is giving maximum, then our answer is correct, otherwise wrong. So for that I am doing the derivative again. Okay, so d square v by dh square, d square v by dh square, it is equals to d by dh of dv by dh. So it is equals to d by dh of, here what is the dv by dh? Pi into capital R square minus 3h square by 4. Okay, now let's do the differentiation with respect to h. Here pi is a constant, and now r square also constant, 3 by 4 constant, and h square derivative is 2h. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are, then pi multiply inside minus 3 pi by 2 into h. In this substitute the our h value. So minus 3 pi by 2 into, what is h value? 2r divided by root 3. So here 2 cancel, then it is equals to minus 3 pi capital R by root 3. See, it is a negative answer. Am I right? Because here minus symbol is there. So less than 0. So here less answer we got less than 0. Therefore V is a volume of a cylinder is a maximum at h equals to 2r by root 3, at h equals to 2r by root 3.